and welcome to episode 4 of Let's Make a Mod. This is probably going to be updated before episode 3, because episode 3 was an hour long and it was like, let's see, videos, it is 2.44 gigs. Because it's such a big video. So, today what we are going to be doing a couple of things. We are going to be making a new block, and it's not going to be an ore. It's just going to be like a normal block, and we are going to be making a crafting recipe. So, first we have to make the block because the crafting recipe is going to be for that block. So let's go into GIMP, File, New, let's make it 16 by 16, Advanced Options, let's make it transparent, and then File, oh no, sorry. So we are going to make not just a normal block texture, but it's gonna be like it's gonna have like some transparency in it, cause I want to make it look cool. So let's take this and let's take our green. Let's do this. So basically we're just gonna do this. I messed up. Yeah, I messed up there. So, oh, maybe not. No, sorry, I didn't. Sorry if I scared you. For some reason. Okay. So I'm basically just like going to make a texture, and the corners are going to be transparent. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So basically, this is gonna be, I wouldn't say a basic texture. I'm gonna try my best not to make it look really bad. But, yeah. So now we are going to take our darker green, put a line across like this. And I'm not sure what we're gonna call this. If you just green block, probably. Oh, see, that's why you can't. That's why they have this, so you can take away bad things like that. So let's put this in. Put this in. Don't go over. Okay. So now. It looks pretty weird, I know. We're going to take not our lightest, but our second lightest, and put in just a trace around here. So it should have, each of these should have 3. I'm not sure what like I said, I'm not sure what I'm gonna call this. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. I'm good. Wait. I'm not. Undo pencil. Okay, so So what we're basically gonna do is do this, and okay, now we're gonna take this color. It's not it. This is the lightest, and then just fill in these spots, and it might actually fill in the transparent parts with black, but if that happens, I won't be that happy, but can just come back and like change it. So we'll call it green block. Go into our desktop, moddings, SRC, Minecraft, mods, tutorial, textures, yes, obviously, green block, okay. Export, okay, so, now that we've got that in there, so now we're just gonna, take our, take all of this, and there we go, copy, create a new class, call it, block green, just call it block green, and then Control V, rename to block green. We can do that. Okay, so now we want to have this drop let's just call it green. Green block. Okay. Tutorial, green block. Okay, so now we've got this. Now go back into here. Public static. Here. Let's organize this. Block. Green. It's green block. Green block. Okay. And then int green block ID equals 1002. Okay. Oh, right. Keep on forgetting, do I? Let's may as well make this 1001 and this 1002. That doesn't make any errors, does it? Okay, good. Put that. Show. Okay. No. No. Oh, wait. Okay, that's how we do. Okay, so now we are going to not forget. Bring you down. No. block equals new block green block ID, comma, material dot, let's do iron again, and then dot set unlocalized name, green block. And then let's make it have a light value dot, let's just copy and paste this part, because let's make it a little, let's put this at 2.6 and this at 2.6. Okay. So, now we've got that. Now we just gotta register it. No. Just separate items. Game registry dot register block green block comma green block. I got register. Oh, resiger. No, I got resister. Okay. Isn't that supposed? Oh, just gotta put this in and go. Good. Separate you guys because you guys are way out of each other's league. Language registry dot green block, then name it green block. Okay, so let's make sure that our block is in, and let's hope it has that little transparent part of it. Let's delete this. That was just for order generation. Let's make sure that it okay, so good thing this part works, but you can see that you see through the bottom. You can like see through to the bottom. So now if we go to miscellaneous, if you take our green ingot, so now that that works, we are going to actually create a, we're going to create our crafting recipe. So, here. Game registry dot add recipe no. item stack output shape grid. So green block, and then for parameters we're going to do XXX, and then comma, another parameters. The only reason I'm doing X is because that's easy to remember, or easy, that's just easy. And that's what most crafting recipes are started with. So now I believe it's X equals, no. X equals tutorial and hold on, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so I got the code. You want to do this item stack, and then oh no, new item stack, green block. So I will be right back because I didn't finish getting the code, but I got that far, so be right back. Okay, so I got most of the source code. So you want to do your block, comma, what was it? Hold on. Okay, so it's green block, comma, new object, and then brackets, curly brackets as I call them. Hold on, put a semicolon there. So now you want to put 3 pairs of this, comma, and then you can do this just so it looks more like on the crafting table. So let's just do let's do GGG, and then GGG, and then GGG. So now I just gotta get the last part of code, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm pretty sure I got the rest. So then you add another comma, and then you can do car, well, they're called parentheses, but in coding I call them car, because that's what character, or char, I call them car though, but I guess I'll call them char. So, and then you do G, and then equals, no, G, tutorial, ingot, and then tutorial period. Let's just try tutorial ingot. And I'll be right back. So I got the rest of the code. So you do comma, tutorial ingot, comma, and then let's see if this will work. So let's launch it up. Single player tutorial again. And get ourselves a crafting table. So put this in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have 2. So, haha. Can't do anything now. I got 2 of these. And as you can see, if you put 4 together, it creates not a, if you're right, it creates like not a diamond, like a square. If you can kind of notice. So yeah. If I come down right here and then put it against a brick, I believe it wouldn't show any of the. It will just show this opening. So I recommend, if you're going to put this down, you do this. So, oh, I didn't know that was this. So as you can see, if you're like looking down at it, it will just show you. Oh, never mind. Yeah, never mind. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, that's the tutorial for, well, I guess we can do a shapeless recipe. It's basically the same. Actually, no, it's not. But we don't need to cover that right now. So let's just, let's do that, because how long has this video been? 2 minutes, yeah. We can definitely, or no, it's actually not, because I accidentally, okay. How long was this? This was like, okay. I'm gonna end the video just so I can get these put together, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So, I'm just gonna pause because I forgot to do something, so we'll be right back. So, right now we're gonna cover making a food. Yeah, so we're gonna open up GIMP again. I know we are using GIMP like a lot, because this is the 4th video, and we have covered like 12 we are about to cover like 12 episodes of the guy I'm watching. So basically I put 3 things into each episode. So again, we have to make it 16 by 16. File. Here. Close this. Said close. File, new, advanced options, transparency, okay. Okay, so now we want to zoom, not that much, zoom in to, here's our good spot. So we're going to basically, we're gonna go a little off topic for our whole like green stuff, and we're actually just gonna make an apple. So we're gonna call it the Granny Smith apple, but before that, we are going to go take a texture from the apple. Oh, right, have a shortcut. Bing. Let's just get the whole item thing, the item spreadsheet, because there's a whole entire spreadsheet of items. So if, no, not here, go back. If we find, I think it's under GUI maybe. No, it's not. Maybe, I don't think it's, yeah, I didn't think so. Textures, items. See, there's supposed to be a whole entire spreadsheet of items. Because, and I want to get that because that would be a lot easier. Okay, not that. Maybe it's under com, jcraft. No. No. Lang, no. No. So I guess we'll just take it from here. So apple, put it in there. No, wrong thing. And then since most food looks like this, we're just gonna take it, where is it? Steak. Let's just do raw pork. What is Ruby? What? Wait. Where? Maybe they're adding Ruby? Why would there be Ruby? I think they're probably adding Ruby. That's what I think. After I saw that. P. Where's P? I think it's, okay. Pork chop. Raw. Gonna take this. Okay. So we're gonna make an apple. So, we're gonna do file, or actually file, open, desktop, apple, and then do this. Okay. So now let's zoom into our good angle. So now we want to take our light and we are let's just make all of this color light green. And then let's do this. We're gonna keep that brown part because that's what Granny Smith apples have. And yes, of course, this won't look exactly like a Granny Smith apple, but I'm just gonna try my best. Let's take this. Yeah. another thing I like is how they like took away the black part right here. So now it's like not like completely outlined. Here, let's keep the green outline like that. Okay, so let's heck no. Moddings, source, Minecraft, mods, tutorial, textures, items. You can call it brands. Just call it, let's just say Granny's S8. Yeah. Export goes out of you. Continue without saving. Take you. Okay, I'll be right back. I gotta actually get the code, so be right back. Okay, so I got almost half of it. So in COM, we're going to we're going to create a new class, and we're gonna call it item Granny Smith. So this is gonna extend item food. So you want to import item food, and then add a constructor. So you're gonna replace par1 with ID, then par2 will be food amount, and then float will be sat, and par4 will be is wolf meat. So now we can take away this, and I'll be right back with the rest of the constructor. Okay, so now we've got that. So now we want to get our texture. So let's get these out. Let's take the code from tutorial ingot. So we want to take this. We need that last. Control C. Control V. Okay, so now we have this. So this is our actual file for the item. So let's save that. Tutorial, go into here. Oh, right. Public static item. What's it called? Granny item. Let's just call it Granny. And then int Granny ID equals 1003. And then Granny equals equals new item Granny Smith Granny ID dot set unlocalized name then Granny Smith Apple and then dot set creative tab creative tabs dot so we're going to do tab food dot so now we put our semicolon there and then we are going to put in our game registry. Game registry. Actually, I'm gonna create a new one for world generator. Semicolon. Then create method. Get rid of this. And then we can take this, no, yeah. Take this, put it into world generator. Game registry dot register item Granny, let's name it Granny Smith Apple, and then language registry, hold on. Okay, language registry dot add name object name Granny and then name it Granny Smith Apple. So now let's do this. Let's run. Oh, where's our error? Oh, here we gotta do this. P-R-A-N-N-Y-S-M-I-T-H. It's wrong. Equals new item Granny Smith. Change current. Let's see if this will still work. Let's hope it will. Nope, doesn't. Okay. So, yeah. Line 39, this is line, yeah. So, Granny equals do this, no. Branny ID, yeah. What does this do? Okay, I'll be. Oh, I know. Int ID, comma. Amount, comma. Sat, comma. Is willful. Oh no. Float, and then lean. Okay, so I'll be right back because I forgot to get some code. Be right back. Okay, I got the rest of the code, and the reason it is not working is because we never actually, food amount is for how much food level it does. So we are going to do 4. That means it fills in 2 of your little like ham things. So and then I believe we have to do another one. So I'll be right back. Okay, I think I got the last 2. Comma 2 point. Let's make it 2. Let's make it 2.5 hearts, and then comma. Let's do true. So what true is true is saying your dogs can eat it or your dogs can't eat it. So my real dog will eat anything. So I'm gonna make it so he can eat apples. So if we try this again, it should work. Let's see. Okay, so let's make sure that our food was registered and it is in here. Under food. Oh, I never changed the, changed the texture when I copied it. So tutorial, what's it called? Essay, Granny essay. So let's see how our texture looks. Let's see how long this video's been. 20 minutes. So well, I split this video into 3 parts. It's gonna be about 45 minutes, not as long as episode 3. So let's go in here, and yay. So let's get a pet dog, feed it to him. Let's see, where's the dog spawn? Bunch of these. Spawn wolf. I'm pretty sure that our items will be down here. And honestly, for the crafting recipe and the food, it was actually made for 1.4, so it works for 1.5. So gonna teach them words. So, kill. Good boy. The only thing is we don't have any way to get it here. Let's make it a little normal. Hard. There. Now we should lose health fast. Come on. Come on, health. Just go down. Okay, there's half of one of our ham things. Slash time 0. Let this go down to 3. Come on, just one more half of a ham. That's all you gotta digest. Okay, so if you do this, you'll see that it restores 2. And if you that is here. That's close. This. So that is because this is 4. So we should actually put this at 2.0 So that's the tutorial for right now. Okay. So this is the episode 3. You can get the mod here. Well, this is episode 3, so it won't be with like the food and stuff. But yeah, rate, comment, and subscribe for more. Subscribe to become a miner today, and I will see you in the next episode of Let's Make a Mod, episode 5. Goodbye.